Does anyone in this world want to keep this FDRL story going forever? Maybe there are people who want to keep it going forever. Maybe there are people who don't even care. It's their right. I have no quarrel with those. But boy, you are joking if you think some of us, Rwandans, who know the story about them, will ever agree with you. Anyone thinking like that is just absolutely mistaken. It's about us, it's about our lives, it's about our story, it's about our history, it's about our identity, it's about our existence, and nobody in this world is the one responsible for us. No, we are responsible for ourselves. There's no question about it. I keep repeating it, I say it again, because that's what it is. That's a fact. If we want to change the fact through diplomacy or through politics or through interests or through whatever, well, I can only do so much. But within my means, I will do everything that can be done to make sure that that story of FDRL and the genocide and which people play around with doesn't visit us again.